Okay, so today we are looking at more spy camera gear. It's actually the iSpyPens, and this is the iSpyPen Pro, which comes with their bundle, which is a plug-and-play adapter and a portable battery, I believe. But this was sent to us, and we're seeing probably more and more people wanting things maybe like this because of, you know, things that are going on behind closed doors. Could be you at your work, or you just whoever you're talking to, and there things that are being said or done that are just like, you know what, it's their word against my word. How do I verify, or how do I catch this action, etc., etc. So today we're going to look at the iSpyPen Pro and the little bundle that it comes with, and that's happening right now. Okay, so first off, this, depending on if you just want the pen, if you want the bundle, you don't put SD cards in it. It comes with its own built-in memory again, which is kind of nice. So they start as little as $59, and that's with a, as you can see here, a 16 gig version, which will give you 3 hours of storage, and not getting the bundle, there's your $59. If you decide to get the bundle and go up to 128 gigs of storage, and again, I don't know what the storage is on the ones I have here, up to $198. So big jump, right? Big jump, depending on the accessories and how much storage is in the actual pen. But a new and improved 2020 model. What does it say here? Remarkable new camera pen, first in its class, reliable, affordable, is accessible and enjoyable by anybody, regardless of their age and technical background. I'm pretty sure you just hit the button. Top-rated camera brand, camera pen brand, highest quality video. Now, we've seen spy cameras, and spy cameras don't expect to get the kind of video you're seeing from here, nor are you expected to get the kind of video that you would see out of like a GoPro or anything like that, or even your smartphone, because $59, right? $59. So that's a really, really small sensor. It's got storage built into it. It's got all kinds of stuff. So we're hoping it just functions, right? Record up to 4 hours, optimal timestamp, record audio video, no memory cards, no software or drivers, 180-day warranty, charge while recording, fast and free shipping, and 5-minute file integrity preservation. All right, that's cool. That's cool. And what is this? Sign up and enjoy $10 off when you spend $128. So if you wanted to get the bundle, or maybe a whole bunch of pens, then you could get some money off, which is cool. Now these are the pens. I'm going to put them over there. These are the two little accessories that came with mine. So we'll just kind of open this up. And number one, what do we get? That's empty. Yep, looks empty. There's a little iSpyPen hard shell case, ink refills, and extension cable. All right, I'm done. So that's going to be your little case that it comes with, which is nice. Protects your camera. All right, protects your camera pen. There's your little ink refills for it. Comes with it, which is cool. So you're getting 5 refills, and looks like your extension cable. So just a USB extension cable, which can get you away from the product a little bit further, which is nice. So that's cool. I like that. I'll put that up there. And then this is probably, my guess is just an extra, like a battery. Yeah. So you get a little battery, which is nice. I'm not sure what this is for storage or for output. Just says power bank 5,000 milliamp, but it's nice and thin, right? You have USB-A, micro USB, so no USB-C on this, and of course your power indicators. But my battery as of now looks like it's dead, so I need to charge that, but still seems like a nice light battery, which is cool. And in here you do get your micro USB to USB-A And you get, this is nice too, right? And you get this in here somehow. There it is. This is a little adapter that you can plug into, my guess would be into the actual camera or into the cable, whichever, and plug it either into your smartphone. So there's Lightning, there's micro, there's USB-C, and there's USB-A. So depending on how you want to connect this, you can connect this into your computer or your smartphone or whatever. Yeah, that's cool. That's handy. Nice. That's that looks like that's what you would get with the bundle. With the bundle. And then you have the pens, and it looks like I got the 128 gig version. Now I'm thinking maybe they sent two different colors. iSpyPen Pro 128 gig silver, and black. So try you to look at what the two of these look like. So silver looks like, what do we get here? It's a thing. Looks like this is your manual, which is nice. Right, little manual there, little full product instructions right there, QR code, and it's like a business card for your support and stuff like that. Nicely packaged, which is always nice to see. And there is this. Now this said silver, right? It said silver, yes. Well, there it is. That's it right there. It looks awful blacky to me. But okay, well, let's look at the black one just to put them up against each other. Maybe it's the rings. Maybe, okay, I'm guessing this is going to be the same deal. Oh yeah, so that's what it is. So same bunch of stuff inside, but you do get, see here, it's this one's like all black. I think I like the silver, but there you go. You guys can see the difference right between the two. All right, I'm down. Okay. So let's pick and choose one. This, my guess is you just unscrew this here. Yeah, there's your USB. So this is what you would plug into your computer. Okay, that's it right there, and it says right on the top, right, 128 gigs. Okay. Very nice. How does it operate as far as a pen? So you spin the tip here. So don't necessarily give it to someone to use, because they'll probably do one of these, click, 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 right? But you spin the tip here to get this to come out. Does it write okay? Let's just see on here, right? Yeah. Hello. 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 That's fine. That's good. And you can see right there, hopefully you guys can see it. There's the camera, right there. See that? It's tiny, 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 tiny camera. But so you could be just holding this, like this. Nobody's gonna really pay attention to that. Or if you had a shirt with a shirt pocket, you could click it in here, camera out. Nobody's gonna pay attention to that. Just realize, I guess, that it is. If you're someone that's does this, not going to have very good footage. But just be sure if you're doing something, just be like holding it. I don't think anybody would pay attention to that if you were just holding it. So, and you're getting audio as well. So, you really don't need it to be cinematic footage. You just need to have it capture, right? So, as far as I can tell, you would just click this. I don't know. I'm guessing stuff without actually knowing. So let's just see. Open your pen, unscrew the pen, charge your pen, right? Okay. Record. Press the control button for 2 seconds to turn the pen on and start recording. Click to stop recording. Plug in your pen to view it. So it says 2 seconds. So all right. So if I was just like 1, 2. So here's the only thing. Here's the only thing. I'm guessing. Here's the only thing. I don't see. Stop. I think I stopped. 1, 2. I don't know, and you wouldn't expect there to be. I don't know if there's actually any there's no indicator. So how do you know that it's actually recording? So you kind of have to, I think you kind of have to cross your fingers. What I would like, this is what I would like. Maybe it does. Maybe the battery's dead in this. Maybe it does. I'll hit that, turn it off just to see. I'm gonna do this one as well. Click. What I'm guessing is that, because you don't want an indicator, what I would love to see is that you get a vibration pulse or something, just to be like, yes, it's on, right? So that you could, and just something very subtle, right? If you're holding this, you'd be able to tell, so that, because nobody's gonna, if you're sitting there doing this, click, especially if you're down at like table level and you held it, so you could just feel the vibration, not necessarily enough so that it would, nobody would notice it, but just enough so that you can know that it's on, right? Maybe one pulse for on, 2 pulses for off, something like that, right? So, and then I'm supposed to tap this again, and that would be that. If you're here, I'm gonna put the footage that this recorded, and if it didn't record, maybe I have to charge it, and I'll take it upstairs and do another little test. But I'll put the raw footage right after this, and you guys can get an idea of what the footage and the audio and all that kind of sounds like. And again, if you are interested, you can just head over to iSpyPens.com. This is their new upgraded version. And you know what? At 59 bucks, not bad. If you want the whole kit and caboodle, you're looking at about 200, and that's US dollars. So just kind of be aware. But yeah, nice pens too, just in general. They have a nice feel to them, you know. Better than, and they look sort of fancy. Better than your just standard Bic pens, I guess. So that's it. Link to iSpyPens. And we'll see you tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Later. Okay, so I'm just doing a quick test of the camera. You guys can see it at my arm's reach. It doesn't have any kind of stabilization, of course, or anything like that on it. And there is a little light on the back, so it's on the flip side of the actual camera. And it will flash when you are, when it's enabling, like when it's turning on. So you want to make sure that that's pointed away from whatever you're recording when it starts. Now, when I turn it around, that light's not there anymore. It only turns on when you start recording. But you guys can get an idea now of what the video quality is like from this little camera. Again, it's tiny, so my expectations aren't super high. And the reason that I didn't record in the basement is that neither one of these were charged, so I was getting no recording, which is also the reason that I didn't see the light. So this could be okay. And if you had it, just so you guys can see, pretend it was in the front pocket and you were like walking around like this, you know, I think, again, you're not getting cinematic and super stable footage or anything like that, but the concept of a pen, a spy pen like this, is something that you can sit somewhere and just kind of record what's happening, and it doesn't need to be great quality. You just need to be able to hear and identify what it is that you're recording. So there you go. Thanks for watching the whole video, and that's kind of it.